Today I'm going to explain to you about breaker blocks. So breaker blocks are basically like support and resistance zones. If we take a look here at this candle here, it was once a order block. So we have this move up and then the move down, and as an order block it should have created a new high, but instead it created a very small bullish candle here, and then it failed and dropped down. So basically we call this a break of structure, right? But also what this is a breaker block. Breaker block is a failed order block, okay? And also we can call this, once it was support, so now it becomes resistance. So if it's now resistance, then we can take a trade from it. So as you can see here, we have this kind of a channel coming back up into the candle, but it never touched the body of this breaker block. And as we know, the bodies are more important than the wicks in these cases, because that's where the money is in. So this is basically a perfect example of a good sell setup. We have this high that created a new low, so this we would call an inducement. And just above it, we have this breaker block. So this is a good sell setup. We would sell from here, stop loss above. And then there are two places where we can target. First of all, we have this unmitigated wick, which would serve us as demand zone. And this is exactly where the price tapped into and started going up. Or we could have targeted the low. But in this case, obviously, we should have taken some partials, or at least went break even, because we had already these three candles going down. So we are already in profit. So I would advise you to at least take some partials, or at least go break even. So the price tapped into this and started going up. And this is where the resistance failed, and now the resistance became support. And so this one order block can actually serve us both as a sell setup as well as a buy setup from the same order block, or in this case, breaker block. Follow for more.